All right, I don't know if this has ever happened to you, but when I was using my mower, my choke actually came out. So I was left here where the choke was, literally nothing but a hole in my Quest mower. And it's served me well. It's about 10 years old or so. It's the 42-inch deck. I personally don't like the one with the curved deck because of this, just because this thing always breaks all the time. But anyway, beside the point, pretty straightforward to do. What you do is you go to the service center and you'll get a replacement. This is my old one, and you can see where it used to attach in here is this little assembly. And this would kind of connect in through there. And you'll get a new one of these, and you can kind of see what it looks like. It has one of these little wire adapter things, or wire kinks at the end, which allows you to use it. But in the meantime, before you use that, obviously you have to kind of, move the mower, start it up, kind of go about your day. What you can do is take your throttle and kind of raise it up and down. And you'll see when I raise and lower the throttle, you'll see the throttle section move. It's on the lower section. So you know it's not that one. And the choke one is on the upper side. I reattached it, but it would be right here, and you'd move it, nothing happens. So what you can do in the meantime, just to kind of finish mowing, is physically just take this little lever and move it around. So if you want to kind of choke it, you pull it towards you. And if you want to kind of let it run normally, just push it back this way, and it'll kind of get in normal positions. What that'll do is it'll move this little assembly here, and that will kind of, like I said, allow you to start it and at least kind of get things moving, which you'll really probably have to do, when starting a cold mower. But so you can kind of use this again, still in the mower like you normally did. Instead of pulling the choke itself here on the lever, you just kind of reach around or have a friend lift up here or move this assembly over, and you'll get it going. Now once you get the part, again, it'll look something like this. Just obviously this will be attached in there. You then kind of unwind it, and then you have to kind of come over to the assembly here where the control panel is. Now there's going to be a couple screws. You take these guys out, standard screwdriver, nothing special. And then it's a little bit limiting if you just try to put it up and try to take it out this way. It's a little bit challenging. So what usually helps is just throw this off to the side, raise the seat up, and allow you to have complete access to everything. That hurt. And then you can kind of reach underneath here as they short this out on the battery. And then you just kind of unattach here at the choke, and then just kind of wind it all the way back through and pull it out, come all the way back here, and just detach this one screw, which is right in there, and you want to kind of loosen this guy. What that'll do is allow you to take this cable out, put the new one in. Again, you just have to kind of attach it right in here through this little wire eyelet. And the eyelet will allow you to kind of secure it, and then just secure it at the nut here, and kind of run all the way through, and then just use a set of pliers or a wrench or something like that just to tighten it up and get there. And then slap this back in here, just like so. And then, like I said, you can kind of run the wires all with the rest of the cable assembly all the way to the back. And then when you're all done, you want to try to secure it again with it in the kind of resting position. So when you move the lever, that should kind of pull all the way back. And that's it. Just tighten everything up and you're all good. So hopefully that helps someone. Thanks.